Welcome to Sir Strategy. In this video, we want to check and full review of change of character. First, we will examine it in a very comprehensible and easy way. Then we will enter into the topics of his profession. Okay, let's get down business. Suppose we have uptrend like this. As you see, price had been respect to demand zones till the last demand zone broke. I mean this demand zone. When our last demand zone in uptrend had been broken, the change of character happened. What it means? It means the bullish trend will be changed to bearish trend. After change of character happened, we have new supply zone. And we waiting for shorts opportunity. This is the move we have expect. Let's go for opposite direction. As you see, we have downtrend like this, till the last supply zone will break. Well, as you see, the last supply zone had been broken, and the change of character happened. So this means our bearish trend will be changed to bullish. And furthermore, we have new demand zone. And we expect this movement. Now it's time to learn how we can use it professionally in our trading. Suppose we have downtrend in 4-hour time frame and you see the BOS happen. I made video that completely analyze and check BOS. I put the link above if you want to see it. Well, we are waiting for pullback in 15 minutes time frame. This is movement of pullback in 15 minutes. After price reaches into 4-hour supply zone and mitigated its, we look for change of character. Of course, never forget liquidity. For easy identify change of character, draw your last demand zone in 15 minutes and looking for price when we'll break that zone. Okay. As you see, we have 15 minutes change of character in 4-hour supply zone. We see change of character happen here. Okay, as we discussed, after change of character happen, we have new supply or demand zone. In this case, we have new supply zone. Now we go to 1-minute time frame. We wait for price to pull back into new 15-minute supply zone. And then we want to see change of character in 1-minute time frame for find the best price for open a short position. This is the movement of 1-minute time frame. As you see, the price reaches the 15-minute supply zone, and then change of character happen in 1-minute time frame. Now again, after change of character, we have a new supply zone, but this time in 1-minute time frame. Now, after we see these things, we can safely set a limit order for sell in this zone. This is the one of best setups that you can get it in market, with risk to rewards 1 to 20 at least. Okay, now come on, go to real chart for better understanding. As you see, we have full bearish trend in 4-hour time frame in your USD chart. After that, we see last supply zone had been broken in here, and it causes change of character. Well, as we discussed after change of character, we have new demand or supply zone. In here, change of character causes that the bearish trend change to bullish, so we have new demand zone. Well, let's specify the demand zone in 4 hours on the chart. Okay, now we wait for price reaches to the 4-hour demand zone and sweep liquidity and mitigation. In this video, we just wanted to check change of character. I told about mitigation and liquidity in briefly on previous videos. And in future videos, we analyze them more profession, so stay tuned. Okay, after mitigation, the 4-hour demand zone, we go to 15 minutes time frame. Now we look for change of character in 15 minutes time frame. It's happened in here. Okay, now we have new demand zone based on 15 minutes time frame. This is new demand zone on 15 minutes. After that, we wait for 1 minute's change of character in 15 minutes demand zone. We go to 1 minute's time frame. Many of my students say that we spend all our time on the chart, and I tell them in response that trading is not the way to enter a position with the smallest sign and be very relaxed and only think about the strategy you want, and furthermore, you must set your alarms. Now we want to see change of character in this 15 minutes demand zone. I set my alarm on 50% mitigation of the zone. Okay, now I just want to see the change of character. Will happen in here. So I specify the new demand zone to set a limit order to open a buy position. As you know, this is 1 minute order block. If you want more information about order block, I made a video about it that really help you for identify it. I put the link above this video for you. Okay, now we set a limit order on this order block like this. I said about our risk to reward minutes ago, and it's huge. This is smart money. In smart money, we set our stop loss based on 1 minute time frame, but our profit is based on 15 or 4 hours time frame. Now you can set your profit to last 15 minutes or 4 hours supply zone. As you see, the risk to reward ratio for this trade is 1 to 25. Now our order had been activated. Okay, price hit the target. Of course, many other points can be entered during this trade that you can easily increase your risk to reward ratio 1 to 50. Smart money is bigger than you think, and I teach you more professional subject and trade in this channel. Please like and subscribe for next tutorials. Thanks for watching.